Hi, today we're making a South Indian style spicy fried shrimp with a semi-dry gravy. Varuval refers to the method of preparation for various meat dishes. The gravy is on the drier side with a nice spiced coating. The flavors are wonderful in this version using small-sized shrimp or prawns and coconut bits. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Here's a quick look at the ingredients. For the detailed recipe, please visit the link in the description. Combine all the ingredients for the marinade and rub into the cleaned and drained shrimp or prawns. Set aside for 15 minutes. Here we take a look at the ingredients for the gravy. Heat the coconut oil in a wok. Add the curry leaves. When splattered, add the ginger, garlic, and green chili. Sauté till softened and just turning light golden brown in color. Add the shallots and sauté well till very soft. At this stage, add the coconut bits and stir well. Reduce heat to low and add all the spice powders. Sprinkle some water to avoid any burning of the spices. Cook till aromatic without scorching the spices in the least. Now add the fish tamarind and the marinated prawns. Stir well. Also add some salt to taste and a dash of water if the spices seem to be getting too dry. Raise the heat, cover, and cook, stirring occasionally till the oil separates. After 3 to 5 minutes of cooking covered with occasional stirring, the prawns should be cooked tender with a thick, semi-dry gravy coating them. Serve hot with roti or rice. The spicy fried South Indian style shrimp or prawns is ready. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.